Hello students, welcome to ABBHS Digital Classroom, Standard 10th Geography. Till now, we have studied the various resources of India and Brazil, that is land, water, forest and animal resources. The most important resource is the human resource that decides the proper utilization of the other natural resources. Now let us study the human resources in the lesson number 6, population. Population is the most important resource of any country. The nation's economic and social progress depends on the population. Observe the maps given. Figure 6.1a is a dot map showing the population distribution, whereas figure 6.1b is a choropleth map showing the density of population. You will find that the distribution of population is uneven. Let's try to find out the reasons for this uneven distribution. The physiography and climate of a place play an important role in population distribution. We know that the mountainous region is inaccessible. The climate here is cold and dry. These conditions are not favorable for the agriculture. Thus, the survival here is very difficult. As a result, population is very sparse in this region. Observe the North Indian plains. These are the fertile lands with abundant water, making favorable conditions for agriculture and hence the development of industries. Thus, the population here is dense. The same thing with the cities. Due to the availability of job opportunities, cities like Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai are densely populated. Read and write down the important points in your notebook. In India, the population is very unevenly distributed. The physiography and climate play an important role in the distribution of population. Due to the fertile land, plain land and availability of water, human settlements have been established in these parts for many centuries. Due to farming, industries and trade, the proportion of the population got concentrated in few places. We have seen the examples of these places. On the contrary, in the mountainous region, the dry desert areas, dense forest areas, the density is sparse because of inaccessibility, absence of facilities and a tough life. Now let us go to Brazil. Let's see the population distribution and the density of Brazil. Observe the distribution and density of population. Here also, the distribution is very uneven. The population is concentrated within 300 kilometers of the eastern coastal area. Thus, agriculture and industries are flourished here. As a result, population is dense here. Whereas the interior of Amazon basin is very sparsely populated. Here also you will see that the physiography and climate affects the distribution of population. Heavy rainfall, dense forest are the obstacles in development in the Amazon basin. The distribution of population is very uneven in Brazil. You will write down these points also in your notebook. The majority of Brazilians have concentrated within 300 kilometers of the eastern coastal areas, also called as the coastal lowlands. Therefore, agriculture and industries have flourished well here. As a result, higher density of population is found here. On the other hand, the interior in the Amazon basin is very sparsely populated. Unfavorable climate, heavy rainfall, dense forest are the barriers to development of human settlements here. Therefore, the settlements occur only in few places in the Amazon basin. The central and western part of Brazil is less populated. The density of population in the highlands of Brazil is moderate. Let us see some population facts about India. India's population is around 121 crores according to the census of 2011. This makes India the second most populous country in the world. As India occupies only 2.41% of the land area of the world and it supports 17.5% of the world's population. This makes the density of population very high. India's average population density is 382 persons per square kilometer. Now this is according to the census carried out in the year 2011. So the average population density is 382 persons per square kilometer. Now let us see the population facts about Brazil. Brazil is the most populated country in the South American continent, with a population of around 19 crores, according to census of 2010. Brazil ranks 5th in the world. It is also the 5th in the world with respect to area. Now Brazil occupies 5.6% of the world's total land, but it has only 2.78% of world's total population. Therefore, the population density here is very low. It is around 23 persons per square kilometer. Now let us compare the density of population of India and Brazil. In India, the population is around 121 crores, whereas in Brazil the population is around 19 crores. India is the second most populous country. Brazil is 5th most populous country. Now India occupies only 2.41% of the land area of the world, whereas Brazil occupies 5.6% of world's total land. India supports 17.5% of the world's population, but Brazil supports only 2.78% of the world's total population. And density of population in India is 382 persons per square kilometer. This is the average density. Whereas the density of population is 23 persons per square kilometer in Brazil. Now the composition of population. When we study about the population, we have to study the composition of the population. Means the population is made up of what? So the composition of population includes sex ratio, age group, the population growth rate, life expectancy and the literacy rate. So in our next session, we are going to study the composition of population. All the graphs related to the composition of population. So you will read the lesson till the composition of population till we meet in the next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.